Yes, good evening, members. Yes, welcome to the third term of the year. You know, this is our last is it so? Yes, sir. Yes, as the HOD of the department, I'm expecting you by the end of next week will be the 10th. Am I right? Yes. You are supposed to have submitted the learning plan, yes, session plan, and what? The training. Yes. By the end of next week, make sure you collect and you keep. Am I right? Yes. Now again, because the students are reporting, by Monday, I'm expecting you, all of us, we are supposed to be in classes today. Whether we have the resources or not. Is it clear? Yes, whether we have the resources or not, I don't want to hear much. I'm planning when we have done the requisition, I've taken to the principal. So by without resources or not, we are supposed to be in class. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So we meet on Monday on classes. Thank you.